Miso broth. Prepare the ingredients. Add some water to half a cup of miso and stir to dissolve. Slice 5 mushrooms. Slice 1 yellow squash. Cut 1 large carrot into matchstick sized pieces. Cut the leaves off a bok choy stem and cut the bok choy stems into thin strips. Roughly chop the bok choy leaves. Finally slice 1 celery stick. Pour the miso into 2 litres of boiling water and stir. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add the chopped vegetables and stir. Add a handful of dried chopped seaweed and stir. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, then serve.